Flowers, sacrifice our religion and worship for Princess Wamazilian. It's a clever superstar, I'm Zimbali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and what's it's easy. Flowers, sacrifice all religion and worship for Princess Wamazilian. It's a global superstar, I'm Zimbali. Today, we say KASIE FM in Semtolo Mall. In an interview with the Black Diamond. Super grateful. Yeah, Mamele, please. I shall get home. KASIE Semtolo Mall. And you feeling thirsty? KASIE FM, catch. Honestly, I don't know if they're selling when I need guests, everyone to really. And Tanko KASIE FM 97.1. KASIE station for KASIE people, baby. Flowers, let's all give the Black Diamond her flowers. Shout out to me. On Instagram, you can catch her and the _ live 97.1. She's the one who has it. I love her so much. Go follow her and follow me as well. And I'm Zimbali.
Dean, are you looking for great quality clothing for you and the whole family? Well, Woolworths W Edit Park Dean is coming to your neighborhood very soon. Visit W Edit Park Dean, opening at the Park Dean Boulevard Center on the 24th of October 2024. Get the best quality Woolworths women's wear, men's wear, kids wear, and that sexy lingerie for you, your man, and of course, your whole family, right in your backyard, in your neighborhood. It opens tomorrow, Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024. We absolutely cannot wait to see you there. Woolworths, the difference. Man, what a creative she is. I don't know, maybe she's hailing all the way from KZN. Maybe she just took the name Zimbali from KZN, but she'll give you all the 411 as to how it all came about. Sitting across me is the songstress, Miss Zimbali. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, feeling good.
Good, thank you. Welcome to the drive-thru.
Thank you.
Hey, Azi, all right.
Flowers.
411. I'm Zimbali Kimang Utwakai. And how did she find the name I'm Zimbali? Also walking with the silent man. I love it. Absolutely love it.
Okay, Flowers, sacrifice all religion and worship for Princess Wamazilian. It's a global superstar, I'm Zimbali. So, igama lethu Zimbali ngilithathe ku-Aries and
Aries. Rapper Aries.
Yeah. Okay. I always said he was singing about me and guys why.
I woke up in Zimbabwe.
I don't know. Then ngakipa ingoma ne Gauteng Sports. This other time ne because idlala a competition. You keepela ama artist music. Then my keeper music lawyer why are going you Zimbali.
Oh.
And kwaba ne-glitch lapho then ngabona ukuthi I have to do a proper station and research. Actually senifika ku-I'm Zimbali.
Okay.
Because akekho omunye.
Akekho omunye. There can only be one. All right. So here you are now, you know, as that glitch encountered and you become I'm Zimbali. And then you start now venturing out deep into the creative space, right? Sure. Becoming an artist, becoming a designer, and just being different, right? What is it about your signature that sets you apart from everybody else?
Well, I am colorful, as you said. I'm all about self-love, self-awareness, self-expression, you know. And honestly, I love music, I know. And I want the world to witness me doing what I love. True. So getting money is a bonus.
The last time you were here, you were with
according to Kes,
right? And you know, we're talking about Chabike Stoko and you know,
dropping.
Yes, and now we're dropping. So from there, what happened? Take us through it.
Okay, Back then, I was still a hip hop artist. Then I decided to venture into amapiano.
Okay.
And be amapiano artist because I'm going to go to space.
Sure.
Connie, I'm a piano king, but who's the amapiano queen?
Queen.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I'm like, okay, let me.
So abakamu mphela nje bayadlala.
Gisha kanjani.
You know.
Gisha kanjani. Ngiyabona.
Nje basakoroba. You know, basakhasa.
Yeah. Then I decided to keep a 500 this year, which is
sure?
a song dedicated to Abantwana Baholi Sasa Grant.
Okay.
These kids were on the streets, literally protesting. But i-500 yabo balwela ukudla because abazali bathatha imali yabo bathenga amasavana nanani then uzothola abantwana bangagcokanga nanani.
Sure.
So I decided to change that into a vibey thing, even though it's a serious thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because amapiano it's about that, you know, to have fun. Yeah.
So as you are, you know, in the creative space and, you know, dropped 500, how has, you know, the reception been, the feedback, the music videos, you know, and who did you also work with on that song?
Well, good beats and seven there, no popo. Some other producer like KASIE K1,
Sure.
Then we recorded SOETO.
Okay.
Community producer gonna make with beats. And the music video shoot with the mass shooter, my content creator Ongathanda Kuluma.
Like, I don't know.
And I saw the picture you used for promo. You took it from him there?
No, I went through your Instagram, I think.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's beautiful though.
All right. So now take us through it. Future collaborations. Who would you love to work with? As you know, you have set the tone. 500. Can we expect maybe an EP as the year progresses, or maybe early next year? A full body of work as well in the form of an album.
Sure.
Or what are you currently working on as well?
Well, we did 1 October. Because I keep a documentary. Come like 500 ka Bali.
Okay.
In the process of making the song, the impact, and yeah, and future plans.
Sure.
Then 1 November, ngizokipha ingoma kamla kumnandi sako Vugani from Isiphetho. Yeah, and future plans. Well, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I have more music to offer. Yeah. Cause ikumnandi cycle ingoma yokujiva. Doing 500 but the song that I wanna take out right now, it's more encouraging. Yeah, because I also want people to be inspired by me.
Sure.
Yeah.
What type of, you know, Jungle Bushwood do you want people to be inspired by you? When it comes to your music creation, where do you normally draw inspiration?
From KASIE, honestly, because if 500 was inspired by Labantwana KASIE, and I relate to them because I used to get Mali Grant as well. Yeah, so Nami, I'm a huge part of the inspiration Nami. Sure. Yeah, and what? Let me connect.
Why do you have to shy away from saying it? Why do you have to
clouds.
After all, you are on the drive-through, so duh, make it count.
Okay, the Nicki Minaj. Shout out to Nicki.
Okay, I see you, Miss Nikki. All right, and then when it comes to collaborations, who would you love to work with, especially in the music industry? I mean, for the fact that you took Aris's I Woke Up in Zimbabwe and you're like, I'm wearing that as a badge of honor, you know, and I'm gonna be Zimbabwe, the one and only, the first to ever do it. Why not? Who would you love to work with in this particular space?
Well, like South Africa, kungaba ukabza. Ngeke ngahlangana the event, the exchange contacts and stuff. Asikakhulumi further, but it's him. Honestly, nice to see you.
Curious Senti released a project.
Yeah, my piano. I'm like, yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, and overseas, Uban Van. Yeah. Nikki, obviously.
Kuthiwa umlomo uyadala, so
then-
speak it into existence.
Nikki,
Be the first to ever do it.
yeah. And can you rest Guma piano? I think you will be great.
Huh. For the fact that Major League has already started with Wiz Khalifa and then we brought in Chris Brown.
Yeah.
I mean, why not?
And then
Kanye West is a music genius. If you find something that resonates with him, and maybe
yeah.
you could be the one to, like, you know, sway him in the Mapiano direction.
Period.
Why not? You know?
Period.
So, where do we find E500 on digital streaming platforms, and where do we follow you on social media?
Well, if I'm ready is before ngikhuluma logo, ngizoya kuma awards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, engaged 2 November.
All right.
And I'm nominated as the best artist by Live Your Dream SA Youth Awards.
Okay.
Yes, as of I said there in Playhouse Theatre. Get your tickets, 100 Randi, and yeah. If you feel like you are generous, Ninganceda, please. Good
Sure.
transport, ne accommodation.
Okay.
Yeah. Then if I find ready, it's all on every DSP, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube. YouTube is my favorite.
Okay.
YouTube, and the music video I'll call Lapo. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Shout outs before I let you go.
Shout out to KASIE from 97.1 for having me, honestly. Thank you so much. KASIE station for KASIE people. And what else? Guys, love yourselves. Nipusheli and yeah, love Zizi.
There you have it. Need I say more? Of course not. Closing it all off with her single titled 500, which was inspired by the kids who were protesting because, oh mama, 23 minutes after the hour, 4 o'clock. Welcome to the drive-through.
Ooh,
So, as it appears on our feed, it will appear on yours as well.
collaboration.
Alright.